vehicle. After that, move to extraction.
Copy that, Knight. We're mobile. What the hell's going on? Mercenaries taking VIP hostages?
Yeah, and right after everything that went down in Seattle and Moscow. Shit!
Here we go again. Go, go, go! Hold on to your shit. Hang on, this should work.
Taking fire! Eliminate those tangos!
Fire! Take out the hostiles!
Easy!
It's a private military company, SDS. They have branches all over the world, right? Could this be some kind of coup?
Could be. They're mercenaries. That means we need to figure out who the client is.
Holy fuck! Chopper inbound! Hang on, boys! Good shot!
You out of your damn mind!
Holy fuck! Who are these clowns?
Identify and neutralize tangos! Let's go!
Move it! Move it!
Engaging target! Moving to position! Area secure.
Shit! Check out this anti-air battery. Even the U.S. military doesn't have these. I got this one. Get back! Move!
Thanks, Helms. Okay, they know we're here. Get ready. Taking fire. Eliminate those tangos.
Under fire! Take out the hostiles!
It's clear. Regroup! Let go! Knight, area is too hot! We need air support!
I can't deliver until that second AA vehicle is gone.
Eliminate the anti-air!
Cover me! I'm reloading!
I'm changing back! Enemy at 12 o'clock!
Damn! Blake! Right in position! Good aim!
Cover me! Reloading! Taking enemy fire! Tango moving! Up front!
Nice shot!
I'm flipping quick! Hostile down!
He's taking cover! Another takedown!
What the? From the side!
No! Enemy down!
Take down!
Understood. Hit them from the side! Holy shit! No! Cover me! Reloading! I got confirmed! Hit them from the side! Quick! What the damn? Switching back! That's a kill! Reinforcements are inbound! I don't have a clear shot! Hostile sighted! 4 o'clock! Friendlies! Holy shit! Tango eliminated! I need cover fire! Enemy at 12 o'clock! Under enemy fire! Right down! He's behind that car! That's a kill! No! Another one down! Looking back! It's clear.
Walker, the mercenaries have locked down the conference center. The president has been taken hostage. We've intercepted chatter indicating that the SGS mercenaries plan to execute him.
Shit! This situation isn't gonna unfucking itself! Watch out!